guys, we're here on our second stop.
Next stop is,
It's called
Ying Ying
Ying
House.
Cafe Tea House.
Ying Ying Tea House
Tea House Cafe. So we ordered the soy chicken mambo. We're gonna try it.
And for our drinks, we have coffee plus milk.
It's a combination.
Coffee plus milk tea ice.
Give it a try. It's good.
Try the chicken again.
So we'll start now while waiting for our dumplings.
There's your dumplings. Wow. Sarap. Ano to, babe?
Oops.
Here's our chai.
Chai. And
This is the Xiaolong Bao.
Xiaolong Xiao.
The Hakao.
And
That's right.
this is our
Pork shrimp.
shrimp.
Pork
Siomai.
shrimp.
Siomai.
Enjoy our food.
So we'll just leave you for now and we'll enjoy our food, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button. See you on our next food trip. Bye.